Hello YouTubers, in this video we're going to be replacing our burned out license plate light. This is my problem. I put in some LED bulbs and they were cheap and they've burned out in no time. So we bought some better bulbs. First, hello YouTubers, in this video we're going to be replacing a burned out license plate bulb on that side on our 2012 Honda Odyssey. First thing we want to do is get access to this bulb, so let's raise the trunk. In order to get to the bulb, all we want to do is put a screwdriver in here, bring this panel down. Not quite like that, but that works. The next thing we want to do, here's our bulbs here. We want to twist on either side, not twist, squeeze. And there's our bulb. There's my cheap bulb. They probably lasted a year. Wouldn't recommend doing that if you don't have to. So let's show you what I bought. I bought these Sylvanias off of Amazon. I'll put a link to them in the description below. So let's get this thing cut out of this packaging and put into the housing. Now all we got to do is insert our bulb. Excuse me, one-handed. Insert our bulb into our housing like so. Now let's go cut the light on to see if she works. No problem. Now all we got to do when we're done is insert our bulb into the housing, and I'm going to go ahead and replace this one too while we're at it. Both bulbs are in, everything's good. Now we just want to put back in our panel. That's it, YouTubers. That was it. Gosh, that's a 2-minute job, maybe. Very easy. You could buy the cheaper bulbs like what I had in here. They will work, but they won't work long. The Sylvanias will just, they'll last. You'll probably never have to replace them ever again on a car. Anyway, YouTubers, if you like the video, like the video.